Defined benefits and safeguarded benefits. What you should be doing and what to avoid.
In our last video, we looked at the importance of obtaining a CETV and what you should be looking for in your report. In this video, we take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of each option. You should be considering your attitude to risk and loss versus what you are likely to benefit from leaving your pension where it is, or transferring your future retirement benefits to schemes that vary in value, i.e. losing guarantees for a potential promise. If your report suggests an investment bond as the underlying investment vehicle, or CUROPS or an international SIPP, ask yourself why. CUROPS are often only right for a small minority, as they rarely offer any tax benefits, cost a lot more than UK pensions, and are invariably not as well regulated as UK pensions.
CUROPS, or international SIPPs, can provide wider investment choices.
The problem is that this often means horrible, illiquid, unregulated and other unsuitable investments. However, a typical lower cost platform will offer several thousand funds and multi-currency options within a UK pension that are highly regulated and often protected. Finally, are insurance bonds suitable for pensions? No, and if they are recommended, we would question the motives of the UK advisor that signs off the recommendation. Insurance bonds should not be in a pension and will eat away at any retirement if sold on a commission basis. They are also not the best way to decumulation or pay income out. Remember the 4 steps to help you obtain the right result for your retirement. Just remember, the best thing you might do is actually leave your pension where it is.